Greetings from Brighton Beach in ever beautiful Brooklyn. I love New York, and here is some of Riegelmann Boardwalk, and this would be your dining area alongside of the Atlantic Ocean. Now we are clearly headed towards Coney Island. Those are the amusement park rides. We can see Dino's Wonder Wheel over at Luna Park. But this is Brighton 6. If you're looking for this address, Garden of Joy is one of our restaurant options. That's probably be a better lunch option. Tatiana seems to be the place for a late night crowd. This is a Saturday night in July. And you can see most of the tables are pretty full we're almost at 11 o'clock, 10:30 p.m. Let's do a little bit more walk. And this literally is right across from the Atlantic Ocean. Here is the beach right here. So you are Atlantic Ocean front dining. There is the tip of Breezy Point, the end of the Rockaway Peninsula in Queens. And that would be Sandy Hook, New Jersey, the Jersey Shore. This is actually not far from the entrance point, which is I believe Beach 15, where Riegelmann Boardwalk starts here at Brighton Beach. And this is an extension of Tatiana restaurant. It is the Tatiana Grill. And we're not far from Emmons Avenue of Sheepshead Bay, which is also a really great dining area. So if you're thinking of coming to Coney Island, Brooklyn, Brighton Beach, Manhattan Beach, and you're thinking about swimming and just getting a Nathan's hot dog, although that is a great idea, as the original Nathan's from our Polish immigrants started here, not far bar down the walkway, you do have other options, and they include fine dining. Volna. And if you can hear the diners, very fluent Russian speakers in this community of Brooklyn, and that would be some evening dining options in Brighton Beach. Walk you over so you can see exactly where we are. It is a Riegelmann Boardwalk with an entrance point right here. Now I'm going to continue walking in this direction towards Coney Island so I can enjoy some more of summer in I Love New York. And at that point, I'm going to be taking the D or the F train back to Midtown Manhattan. This is so easily accessible. That's why I wanted to share some of these evening opportunities in I Love New York. Till next time, happy summer from Brighton Beach.